Today you will plunge into the exciting production process and see how modern factory machines and technologies turn raw materials into products that we use in everyday life. This is a world where every step of the production process is clearly controlled to achieve impressive results. We will show you how factory machines work and what technical innovations are used in production. Let's get started.
Let's go.
With the help of the latest computer-controlled milling machine, it is possible to make any product, for example, a bamboo stalk. Now the tires of large trucks are not thrown into the trash, but give them a second life by replacing the tread. In the northern regions of America there are heavy snowfalls, after which it is impossible to cope without snow removal equipment. A high-precision laser is able to engrave even on a sheet of Canadian maple. Your favorite gardening gloves are coated with a thick rubber solution on a fabric base during the production process. These are the famous Italian dancing chandeliers. During operation, solar panels are covered with a layer of dust and washing machines are used to clean them. Gold lace embroidery has always been done manually, but now it is done automatically. Such a versatile seat you can take with you to any place and relax. Photo wallpapers are a thing of the past. The printer for wall printing will depict any drawing at your request. Soon such a stacker will replace a team of masons, and he can work around the clock. I don't want to believe that in the near future robots will learn how to make robots like in the Terminator movie. The new gadget projects the route from the navigator directly onto the road and shows turns. Insulation of walls with polyurethane foam is the fastest way of thermal insulation. Insulation with closed cells is performed both outside and inside the building. With the correct calculation of the thickness of the thermal insulation layer, both options fully comply with the principles of construction technology, which is more than 70 years old. Low-profile easy-to-alloy sports discs are made from a single piece of a special alloy. Polishing plastered walls allows you to eliminate small defects and level the surfaces. The road service has its own equipment for work, which can assemble or arrange road signs in a short time. If you have problems with cleaning snow on the roof, then you definitely need to purchase such a telescopic scraper for snow removal from the roof. With such a river electricity generator, you will always be in touch. Thank you for watching to the end. I always strive to improve the quality and offer you something new and interesting, so I am sure that you will like the next video even more. Thank you for your support. Subscribe, put a like and a notification so that you don't miss anything.